What is it? What's the matter? They're just bags, Gary. Oh my God. We're having a clear out. It's fine. Go on, go check them out then. Go on. Mummy will come with you. Go on then. Mummy's coming. Gary, they're just bags. Go on, go and check them out. They're just carrier bags. That's all they are. Go on, have a look. Go and have a look, Gary. They're not going to hurt you. They're just bags. Go on. Mummy's here, look. Go on. I'm coming with you. Just bags, look. Sorry, I shouldn't do that. Look. They're just bags, you silly bean. We're clearing out under the stairs, aren't we? Do you feel stupid now, Gary? That's it. Have a little look. Gary's at peace with the bags now. Are you in the bags okay now? Do you feel silly now?